So, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the most powerful AI tablet Samsung has ever made.
All right.
Why did you die this time? Gotta be something for Valentine's Day.
Oh. Actually, the wrapping is really good. Wow. Actually, shipping it was really fast. It was only a couple of days. Holy cow. They sure wrapped this thing. All right. This is the Tab S10 Ultra, the newest tablet, 14-inch. Let's see, 14.6 with an S Pen with USB-C to USB-C, 1 terabyte, SMX920. Wow, there we go. Ooh, look at this. It's pretty light. Okay, there we go. I got the silver one, which is like the white, not the gray. Woo! Let's turn it on. There we go. I think it's made of aluminum. Very sturdy. There's the Type-C. There's the speakers. So quad speakers. Very nice. Keep everything. Don't copy. We'll set up the time and date. Oh my goodness. What time is it? Next. You got 2 cameras on the top. Woo! Look at that. This is really nice. Alright, let's see what else they got in here. Got a nice S Pen. Should be able to charge in the back right here. Let's see if it works. There we go. To be honest, I wish it was in the top. It would be a lot easier than grabbing behind for it. Top would have been better. Oh, actually, they have a magnet on the top. I don't think it charged. So there's a magnet on top. Interesting. Let's see if it charged. Oh, there's the pin right there charging. It has a visual of it. That's pretty cool. There's the cable. It's pretty long. SIM pin for SD card. And I think this one goes up to 1 terabyte. So that's nice. And let's see what the specs is. Alright, looking at the specs for this guy. The display is 2960 by 1848. Android, of course. This has 12 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage. Let's go to about. There's the battery. I'm gonna go to device care. There it is. 11.1 gigs of RAM. You can actually do up to 16 gigs of RAM, so you can do a virtual RAM. So right here, plus RAM, you can add another 8. That's when it's running low on RAM, but this has 12 gigs of RAM. More than enough for anything. The battery life is 16 hours. It weighs about 25.3 ounce. If you want to know, the battery capacity is 10,000 milliamp. And the front camera is 12 megapixel. So let's see how good this is. So this is the back camera. Let's see the front. There's me. Let's go back. Okay. Auto HR, location tag, that's cool. Alright. You can even put watermark on there. So they do the different lenses. 5x, 0.5 for wide. So 1 for normal. And then to zoom up all the way to 8. Ooh, that's really close. It's really nice. So I think it's also 12 megapixel. I actually looked it up. It is 12 megapixel by 12 megapixel in the front. That's the two 12 megapixels. And then in the back is 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel for the rear. Video quality is 4K, 38 1040 by 2160 at 30 frames per second. It does have a flash. The SD card can go up to 1.5 terabytes. New USB Gen 3.2, Gen 1, and you can also do PC sync. I'm kind of curious how the audio on this thing, I want to play some music on this on YouTube. Let me connect to the internet. All right, let's test out the music, the speakers on this thing with some music from YouTube. Let's go into YouTube here. Let's see. What we got here? Let's see how this plays. Wow, it's actually really loud. Come on. Oh, definitely love the bass on this thing. Wow. Super nice.